Indian geography, Indian rivers. The total rivers of India contribute about 18 lakhs 58,100 cubic meters of water. Out of these cubic meters of water, totally, Brahmaputra contribute about one third of the total water, that is 33.8%, and Ganga contribute about 25.21%, Godavari contribute about 6.4%, Indus River contribute about 4.3%, Mahanadi River contribute about 3.6%, Krishna River contribute about 3.4%, Maha Narmada River contribute about 2.9%, and rest of the rivers that are present in India contribute about 20.4%. Therefore, the total contribution of all the rivers, the water is 18 lakhs 58,100 cubic meters. The rivers can be divided into two main groups. They are one, the Himalayan rivers, and the second one is the peninsular rivers. The Himalayan rivers, all the Himalayan rivers originate from the hills of the Himalayas, and the remaining rivers that are originating in the peninsular region is known as the peninsular rivers. And the second type of classification of these rivers is the Himalayan rivers that are originating from the Himalayan region, and Deccan rivers, they are in the Deccan plateau. The coastal rivers, those rivers that are appear in the east coast and the west coast, and the inland rivers, the rivers that are present in the inland of the India. The major river contributions form the river basins also. The northern Himalayan basis, that is northern plain, is mainly formed by Brahmaputra river, Ganga river, and also the Indus river, that is Sindhu river. The Himalayan rivers, Indus river, Brahmaputra river, and Ganga river come under the Himalayan rivers. Indus river and also Brahmaputra river, they rose from the Manas Sarovar lake in opposite directions. The Indus river flows towards west and entering into Jammu and Kashmir, and then entering into the Pakistan, and finally it drains into the Arabian Sea. The Brahmaputra river, which is also arising from the Manas Sarovar lake, it flows eastward and turns towards north and entering into Arunachal Pradesh, Bangladesh, and unite with the Ganga and form into a greater delta, which is also known as Sundarbans. The rivers of Himalayans are perennial rivers, always contain water, and when we look at the Ganga river, the Ganga river occupies about 1/4 of the irrigated land of India. It flows to a distance of 25, 25 kilometers, 2525 kilometers. It is formed by the union of two big streams known as Bhagirathi and Alkananda. These two streams, they are born in Himalayas and they unite at a place known as Devaprayag, and hence the name of Ganga to them. Bhagirathi river rises near Gangotri and Alkananda river rises near Garhwal at Himalayan Tibet border. There are many tributaries of Ganga river. They are Yamuna, Ramganga, Gahara, Gandak, Kosi, Mahananda and Son rivers. Yamuna river, it is the largest and most important tributary of Ganga river. It rises on the peak of Bandarpanch at an elevation of 6,330 meters, flows towards south with small rivulets up to Agra and unite with Ganga river at Allahabad. Yamuna flows a length of 1,376 kilometers. The Son river, the Son tributary of Ganga, also born in Himalayas, in the mountain range of Amarkandak. It is about 1000 meters high. It flows to a distance of 780 kilometers and joins at Ramnagar. The Ramganga, this tributary of Ganga, born in Kumaon range of Himalayas, in Garhwal district, and flows to a distance of 690 kilometers, merge at Ganga at Kalaghar. The Garga tributary, born at the east point of Gangotri, at that point is called Karnali in Nepal. It joins at Chapra at Ganga to the Ganga. It flows a few kilometers only. Ganda, this tributary rises at Nepal and it is nearly rise Nepal-China border, enter Bihar Champaran region and Champaran district and unite with Ganga at a place called Sonpur. The Kosi, it rises in the peaks of the Nepal. It enters into the Sharsa district of Bihar. It flows into Ganga at Bhagalpur. Damodar tributary, it rises at Chota Nagpur Pratap near Tori in the Palmer district of Jharkhand. And this is the tributaries of Ganga, and also the formation of Ganga with various tributaries. And let us come to the Indus River. The Indus system flows in India in 709 kilometers long. It has 5 tributaries: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj rivers. The Indus River helped in irrigating Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan regions. The Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra originates in the lake Mansarovar, as we have already discussed, in the Tibet region. It covers the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal in India. The delta of Brahmaputra and Ganga is called Sundarbans. And these are the gist of Himalayan rivers. Let us go to the peninsular rivers. The peninsular rivers that are present in peninsular plateau and the total peninsular plateau of India, out of which 2 rivers, that is Narmada and Tapti, flows towards westward, and the remaining rivers flows towards eastward. The rivers flowing towards eastward flow into the Bay of Bengal, and rivers flowing to the westward, that is Narmada Tapti, flow into Arabian Sea. These are not the perennial rivers, they are rain-fed rivers. The river Narmada. The Narmada river, born in Madhya Pradesh, in Amarkantak plateau, flows into the rift valleys of Vindhas and Satpura hills, and it is the largest west flowing river in India. Flows through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat states. River Tapti, it is also born in Madhya Pradesh at a place called Multani in Betwi district. This is the second largest river west flowing in India. The river flows with a narrow basin and passes through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat states, drawing into the Arabian Sea. The Godavari River, it rises in Maharashtra at a place called Nasik. It flows about 1465 kilometers with a catchment area of 3,12,812 square kilometers. Its catchment area in Maharashtra is 48% 6%. In Andhra Pradesh it is 23.8%. In Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh it is 20.7%. In Orissa it is 5.5%, and in Karnataka it is 1.4%. The Godavari basin occupies 10% of the total river area of India. The tributaries of Godavari are Manjira, Panganga, Veenganga, Indravati. Floods are commonly occur at the end points of Andhra Pradesh through this river. Krishna River. It originates in Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. After Godavari, this is the second largest river of east flowing nature. It flows to Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. The main tributaries of Krishna are Koyna, Panchaganga, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha, Bhima, and Tungabhadra. It flows through a length of 1440 square kilometers. The catchment area of Krishna is 27.4% in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Sir Arthur Cotton built a barrage at Vijayawada with a length of 1.2 kilometers in 1852. At Nandikonda, Nagarjuna Sagar multi-purpose project also laid down on Krishna River. At Sri Sailam, there is a hydroelectricity project, and all these are in the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh now. Some part of these rivers divided between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. River Penna. It's born at Mysore, Nandidurga Hills. It flows through Anantapur, Kadapa, Nellore, yet Woodcourt flow into Bay of Bengal. Its catchment area is 18.3%. Tungabhadra is spawned by through rivulets that is Tunga and Bhadra. This is formed. This is born in the western Ghats of Karnataka. Manjira, Musi River. This river is also called Menamram River. It is born in Mehbubabad Hills, flows into Krishna at Eleswaram of Telangana region. Paleru River. It's born in southern part of Warangal, flows into Nalgonda and Khammam district, and flows into Krishna River at Jaggayapeta. Munneru, another tributary of Krishna, born at Pakala Tank, flows 198 kilometers and unite in Krishna River. Besides this, there are other rivers also exist, that is Vamsadhara. It's born in Orissa, Jaipur Hills, flows in Orissa about 96 kilometers. At Padapatnam, Srikakulam district, enter into Andhra Pradesh and flows about 130 kilometers. And finally, end in Bay of Bengal at Kalingapatnam. Nagavali. This river is also called Longulya River. It's born in Orissa, Raigada Hills, flows about 96 kilometers in Orissa and 112 kilometers in Srikakulam district, and flows into Bay of Bengal at Mopas. Its tributaries are Untigadda, Janjavati, Swarnamukhi, Vyadavati. Machkant River. It is in Vishakhapatnam, Gudem Kothagudem region. Its origin is Gudem place, and flows first towards north and entering into Orissa. There was a dam on this river called Duduma, which is hydroelectric project also. So these are the peninsular rivers, and we can also see the Periyar River, and also that is at the margins and borders of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. These are the river systems that exist in India, and the total river system, as we said, it yields water of 18 lakhs 58,100 cubic feet.